Hello and welcome to Math Molecules. In this tutorial, we will be covering a brief history of algebra, the origin of algebra. What is algebra? Algebra is a way of logical thinking rather than numerical. It involves computation with non-numerical mathematical objects. An important feature of algebra is to find the unknown. The algebraic thinking involves correlating and translating the situations into equations and then solving them to find the solution of our everyday problems. People started using algebra way back. The origins of algebra can be traced to the ancient Babylonians. They developed a positional number system that greatly aided them in solving their rhetorical algebraic equations. Babylonians had developed flexible algebraic equations. They were familiar with many simple forms of factoring, three-term quadratic equations with positive roots. Diophantus was a great mathematician from Alexandria. He is also known as the father of algebra. He solved hundreds of algebraic equations in his great work Arithmetica and was the first person to use algebraic notation and symbolism. He also found algebraic equations with integer coefficients. Brahmagupta was a famous Indian mathematician who solved general quadratic equation for both positive and negative roots. Al-Khwarizmi was the famous Persian mathematician who wrote a book which is considered as the foundational text of modern algebra. It is from this word Al-Jabr the word algebra originated. Al-Jabr, the Urdu word, later became algebra in Latin. The book in English is translated as The Compendious Book on Calculation by Completion and Balancing. Although he did not employ the kind of algebraic notation used today, but the book provided an exhaustive account of solving polynomial equations and introduced for the first time the fundamental algebraic method of reduction, completion, and balancing an equation and arriving at a solution. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you to understand the brief history of algebra. Thank you for watching Math Molecules.